Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pay an E24 using the Crédit Agricole app in 2026. So this is the easiest method for you to pay your taxes directly from your phone without using or without going to bank. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So before we start the process, you need to make sure that you have two things already available. First is your F24 form details, and you need to have access to your Crédit Agricole mobile banking application. You can easily download it from Google Play Store or App Store. After signing in into it, you are going to see this type of interface of the app in front of you. So here on this particular page, you just have to click on the fourth option of payments. After clicking on the option of payments, among the given options here, you just have to choose the F24. Now, in most of the versions of the application, it is under something like payments, then go to taxes, then go to F24. Now, you will usually see the options like F24 ordinary or F24 simplified, sometimes F24 excise. So you need to select the type that matches to your form. Now you need to start filling the form by providing the information in it, like the tax code, the year, the amount to pay, and your personal details as well. So some app versions also allow scanning, but manual entry works everywhere. So once everything looks correct, simply click on the option of continue using the OTP or app confirmation and security code. So after the payment, you will get the confirmation receipt inside the application itself. Always download and take the screenshot of the receipt so that you have the proof of the payment. So this is how you can pay F24 with the Crédit Agricole app in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.